Hey guys, so today we are going to see that how can you make this gear system in Solidworks. So as you can see here, if I'm moving a gear, the other gear is also moving. So how can you make this type of system in Solidworks? It's very easy. So let's start with the new thing. Uh, let's close this. So we need these properties for gears so that you can mesh them properly. So you need diameter, pitch, number of teeth, face thickness, bore, hub height, pressure angle. So let's say for gear 1 we have these properties, for gear 2 we have these properties, and in order to mesh the gear properly, it should be that the gear 1 and gear 2 which are going to mesh, they have the same diameter pitch. So this is the must property which you have for both gears which are going to be in mesh. Now we need to find the distances between gears, which is found by using this equation. So the pitch diameter is given by the number of teeth divided by diameter pitch. So this is the D1, which is the pitch diameter for gear 1. This is the pitch diameter for gear 2. If you sum this and divide by 2, you will get the distances between the between the two gears. So now go to file, click on new. We are going to make the base for this gear. So first of all, select the units IPS, and now go to sketch and select the top view. Make the base. Give the dimension, let's say this is 5 units and this is the 7 units. Go to features, extrude this and give the height of 0.5. So now this is our base on which we are going to assemble or mount the gear system. Now click on normal view, click on sketch and go to on circle. Define this. The radius is going to be 0.25 because the diameter is 0.5. Again I define a circle here and give the smart dimension. Give the diameter which is 0.5 and the distance from here to here is 1.5, which is from this one, and distance of you can define the diameter for this also to make this is fully defined. And now you can see all the dimensions are black and it's fully defined. You can use mirror entities, but for mirror entities we need a line, so we can do afterwards. So now we can go to features, extrude cut and click on through all. So you have got these two holes. Now go to mirror. Feature is this plane is the right plane. So now we got this thing. See, the base is our ready. You can give some fillet or chamfer if you want to make it more attractive or more. So now this is our base. Click on save and let's say we are going to save on base. Save it by giving the name base. And now we are going to make a shaft on which the gears are going to be mounted. So for that we are going to put file, new part file, and we are going to make the shaft here. First click on the units IPS, sketch, go to top view, circle, and the radius is again 0.25. Go to features, extrude it, and the height is going to be 1.5. we are going to get the height 1.5, because the hub height is 0.5, the face thickness is 0.5, and the base height is 0.5. So we have given the 1.5 height. We can make fillet on this also if you want to. So now that's done, you can change the fillet if you want. Let's say give it 0.05, or you can give it 0.1. So shaft has been made, base has been made. Now we are going to assemble this. Go to file, click on new, assemble, click on OK. Base, click on here. I think I haven't saved the shaft, so save it. And if you save it, you can insert component here like this, and we want 3 shafts. So select the shaft, hold the control key and drag it to copy these objects. So now you need to mate this over this. So for that, go to mate. So select this surface, concentric, and let's click on this face, make it coincident. Do the same for all these things, for all the shaft. Concentric first and then coincident and concentric. You can check it, click on the moving component, it's not going to move. So that has been fixed. And now we need to add the gears. So for that, click on this. So you have this type of window, click on design library, and then you can select this, click on toolbox. In toolbox, if you doesn't have it, you can get this add-on, click on add-on and you can get toolbox. Now go to ANSYS and go to power transmission, gear, spur gear, click on this and drag it. And now here to give the properties. So the diameter pitch for each gear is 40, number of teeth is 40. So for the second gear is 80, we can give that 80 over here. Pressure angle is 20, face which is 0.5, one side hub diameter is 1, overall length is 1, you can see from these properties. And then you have a shaft diameter which is 0.5, which is the 1.5. We have given the keyway as square 1, or you can give square 2, whatever you want as per your requirement. And now you can see we got this bigger gear. You click on right, I just want only one. So now we got this one. For second gear, again click on this, drag it and change the properties. So the number of teeth on this is 40. If I change this to 40, what happens? I'm getting the second gear. Diameter pitch is same, all the things are the same. I want 2 gears, so I just click like this and click on cross. So now we want to make this gear on this base part and shaft. So click on mate and then click on this inner surface. On this surface, click on the mate alignment to oppose the direction of the first one and check mark it. Click on this top surface and this to mate it on the top and make it coincident. Same do for this inner, this one. Reverse the mate alignment, click on this face, this face and make it coincident. Same for this middle element is reverse, and then here now the thing is that you can't see that here, so we want to move it out. So click on move component and move this little bit up, and now you can see that I can see that face of the cylinder of the shaft. Again go to move component, move this a little bit like this, and now go to mate it, selecting this surface and this surface coincident. So now I have mated this thing, which is the general mating. I haven't made the gear like the mechanical one, which is required. So now if you go to move component, you can see that if I move this, the other gear is not going to move because that has not been mated. Like this and this hasn't been mated. So we just made, we use the mating for the base, but the gear thing is remaining. So for that, again go to mate. Before that, you can see that must be the gears like this if they are properly mated, properly matched. So now click on this gear. You need to click on this. You need to click on the gears inside. So like this one. So we are going to make the mechanical one. So go to mechanical mates, now go to gears and now select the gear. So your first gear is going to be this one, but so you have to select this thing, and here also select this edge. So now you can see you have this teeth by diameter. Here ratio you can give it. So let's give the ratio 1 to the smaller one, and this is for let's say 2, and we can print check mark. And we also want to make this too. So for that, go to gear, select this, and give the ratio. So this is the first for this one and 2 for this one. Okay, and now check this, and now if you move the component, you can see the gear is going to be moved. Move this one, move this one. So you have created the gear assembly very easily in using these simple steps. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman for more such videos. Thank you.